Google, Gemini new updates, change everything. Google just dropped something crazy. Gemini can now make your videos, create avatars that look like you, give you your whole day in one briefing, and connect all of it to actual traffic. These aren't little updates, these are game changers for anyone trying to scale content, build a brand, or get more leads. Google spent years building AI that talks to you. Now they're building AI that works for you. And the best part, most creators don't know about these yet. In the next 7 minutes, I'm going to walk you through what changed, show you exactly how to use it, and show you how to turn Gemini's output into traffic that actually lands on your website. Here's what this does. You have a long video. Gemini watches it. It automatically finds the best 10-second moments, the hooks, the juice. It exports them. No editing, no clicking, just done. Why does this matter? Because short clips drive traffic. One long-form video becomes 10 pieces of content. 10 pieces of content means 10 chances to hook someone. 10 chances to send them to your landing page. We do this for our clients all the time. One YouTube video becomes clips for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. Same content, different platforms, more eyeballs. Gemini just automated this. The catch? These clips are short. They're hooks. They're not full tutorials. So use them for what they're good at, getting attention. Then send people somewhere else for the full story. And that somewhere else? That's where your traffic grows. This one changes everything about how you can scale yourself. You film yourself once, or you don't film yourself at all. Gemini creates an avatar that looks like you, sounds like you, and can deliver any script you want. Why? Because now you can scale your on-camera presence without filming every single video. Think about this. You're the face of your business, but you can't film 50 videos a month. You can't do videos in 5 different languages. You can't be everywhere, but your avatar can. Here's the real application. You use this to create localized landing pages, different avatars, different languages, same message, more markets, or you use it to repurpose old content. Take one script, generate 10 videos in different tones, test which one converts higher, then double down on the winner. The ethical thing, tell people it's an AI avatar. That's it. Transparency, done. This feature alone saves you 20, 30, 40 hours a month on video production. Quick reminder. If you're trying to scale with AI and you want the real playbook, the SOPs, the templates, the exact steps we use to grow businesses, this is what we teach in the iProfit Boardroom. We show you how to use tools like Gemini to save time on content, how to automate your outreach, how to build landing pages that convert. It's not some get-rich scheme, it's a real system for real businesses. If that sounds helpful, keep watching. We've got links below. Now back to Gemini. Every morning, Gemini reads your email, your calendar, your tasks, and it gives you one simple list. What should you do today? Reply to that lead. Publish that post. Finish that outline. That's it. Why is this huge for content creators and business owners? Because consistency dies when you lose focus. You start with intention, but then your day gets messy. Emails pile up. You forget what you were building. By Friday, you haven't published anything. Daily brief prevents that. It keeps you on the content schedule. It keeps you building. And it learns what matters to you the more you use it. This is the difference between creators who scale and creators who burn out. Google rebuilt how Gemini shows you information. Instead of a wall of text, you get interactive visuals, progressive reveals, information that unfolds in front of you instead of overwhelming you all at once. Why does this matter for your business? Because faster research means faster content creation. When you're researching a topic for a blog post, you're not digging through paragraphs. You're seeing the key points instantly. You understand faster. You write faster. You publish faster. For someone running operations where you're creating content constantly, this cuts your research time in half. Half. That's significant. This is the engine under everything. It's faster, it's sharper, and it powers Spark, Omni, and Live all at once. What does that mean for you? It means when you're using Gemini to write landing pages, create email sequences, or brainstorm content ideas, everything happens instantly. No waiting, no lag, no friction. You ask for a landing page for your business that explains why automation saves time and grows businesses. Boom, you get it in seconds. You ask for an email sequence that drives traffic to your product. Done. You ask how to structure a landing page for conversions. It tells you. That speed matters because speed means you can test more, iterate more, find winners faster. This is hands-free voice interaction. You're walking, you're thinking, you just talk. Gemini listens, no typing, no looking at a screen. You ask for 10 blog post ideas, gives them to you instantly. You ask how to structure a landing page for conversions. It tells you. You ask for an email sequence that drives traffic to your product. Done. This removes the biggest friction point in content creation, the blank page. You're not sitting there thinking, you're speaking, and Gemini's capturing it all, turning your ideas into outlines, turning outlines into scripts, turning scripts into finished content. For someone trying to scale content production without losing their mind, this is the game changer. Now here's where it gets real. Creating content fast is good, but creating content that brings traffic is everything. Here's how you turn Gemini into actual business growth. You're going to take that landing page. You're going to optimize it for real search terms, terms your customers are actually typing. You're going to build backlinks to it. You're going to distribute it. You're going to get it to page one, because page one is where traffic lives. Think about it like this. Solo business owner using Gemini, making 10 hooks and teasers every single week. Nothing complicated. Just key points about AI automation. Short, punchy, valuable. Those clips go to TikTok, Reels, Shorts. Some get views. Some get real engagement. The best ones? Those drive people to the landing page. The landing page is built with Flash. It's beautiful. It's clear. It explains why automation saves time, why it scales businesses. Daily brief keeps them on schedule. Consistent posting. Consistent visibility. 3 months in, their traffic doubles. 4 months in, leads triple. Because they're not just creating content. They're creating content that converts. They're using Gemini's speed, but they're combining it with SEO strategy. That's the real magic. Gemini is a tool. Really good tool. But tools don't create success. Strategy does. See creators with every AI tool in the world. They've got ChatGPT. They've got Claude. They've got Gemini. But they're not seeing results. Why? Because they're not thinking about conversion. They're not thinking about SEO. They're not thinking about strategy. They're just thinking about creation. Creation without strategy is just noise. So use Gemini. Absolutely use it. Create faster. Scale your content production. Connect it to real business outcomes. Connect it to traffic. Connect it to conversions. Connect it to customers. That's where the magic happens. First, hit that subscribe button, because we drop new AI updates every single week. New tools, new strategies, new ways to automate your business and scale faster. Second, comment below. What's the Gemini feature you're most excited about? Avatar videos, daily brief, auto clips? I read the comments. I love seeing what you're working on. Third, join the AI Success Lab. Free community, 67,000 members, real people building real businesses with AI. You'll get the video notes. You'll get templates. You'll get access to strategies that actually work. Links in the description. Join us. And if you're serious about turning Gemini and AI into a full business system, come check out the AI Profit Boardroom. We've got the playbook. We've got the SOPs. We've got the roadmap to real growth. Thanks for watching. Let's keep building.